If you have dry or sensitive skin and you're wanting to shrink the appearance of your pores and reduce your blackheads, then we have the solution for you. This is our BHA Pore Refining Solution. We found that a lot of blackhead treatments were only suitable for oily skin, so we created a daily exfoliating serum that works without any dryness or irritation. This is dermatologically tested and suitable for sensitive skin. It's an essence-like formula that you can apply every day after your toner, morning and night. It contains 3 key ingredients. The first ingredient is betaine salicylate, which is a BHA that's 2 times more hydrating than salicylic acid. It helps to gently unblock pores without any dryness or irritation. The second ingredient is gluconolactone. So gluconolactone is a PHA, which works similar to AHAs like glycolic acid, but it works close to the skin's surface to unblock pores of dead, dull skin cells, so your skin appears more radiant. The third key ingredient is chamomile extract. This is a powerful antioxidant that's going to help to calm and soothe the skin. It will also help to reduce redness and shrink the appearance of pores. So because this is a gentler alternative to other blackhead treatments and exfoliants on the market, there are a couple of things to consider. You won't experience any stinging or tingling when you're using this serum, and that doesn't mean it's not working. It just means that this is formulated to be pH balanced. Results will take a little bit longer, so it's important that you stay consistent and you use it for at least 4 weeks on a daily basis to see results. And whilst it is exfoliating, it doesn't increase UV sensitivity, so it's a really good serum to slot into your morning routine. So if you're looking for a gentle and hydrating serum that's going to work over time to reduce the appearance of pores, blackheads and breakouts, as well as brighten and even skin, then this is our BHA Pore Refining Solution.